Hey guys, we're back at 9:43, running the second. I'm going to copy the list on my way up here. 45 spots. Running the second. Sorry. Gonna copy the list on my way up here. Running the second in our 18 winner AFA Power of the Force Super Battle. I got 45 spots here. There it is. Top 6 win spots in the main. I'm going to paste my list over here of 45 entries. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. Snake eyes, we're rolling again. 8. We're good to go. Good luck, guys, as we get underway. Dennis in the top spot for our first round. Eric round 2. Josh 3. Ryan 4. Gary round 5. Scott 6. Christopher Burgess in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7, which brings us inevitably to the last round, the final round, the one that matters. All right, here we go. And our winners are Eric Rand, Alex Miner, Eric Nelson, and Sean Lemire twice. Congratulations, guys. Nice hits. Here's the verification code, BDLTYH. There is our victors. Congratulations, fellas. I'm done just as the clock turns to 9:45. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congratulations, guys. See you in the main. Thanks.